Hey guys, so today is Sunday. It is the day after the first Homewood game day, so everyone's kind of just like not doing well today, but I have a lot of shit I gotta get done today. I gotta get my life together. I'm in the stairwell right now. It's probably mad echoey because Kayla's still sleeping and like I didn't want to wake her up. But I woke up this morning, I got a nice shower, I changed, I put on the cutest outfit, and then I got deodorant on it and it won't come out, so that's really cute. But now I'm just wearing this like baby tee that's like Penn State, and then some denim shorts from TJ Maxx, and I'm heading out to go run some errands. I joined a club here where you need to dress like business casual, and I just don't own business casual clothes, so I'm gonna run over like the little like strip mall that's here. I have to Uber there, which is scary because I'm going alone. If my mom knew that, she would probably kill me. There's like an Old Navy and like an Ann Taylor there, so I should probably find something there. There's also a Trader Joe's, I think, and I might need to stock up on some snacks, so we'll see. But I need to go run and get my return. I forgot that at my dorm, and then I'm gonna order an Uber and head out. Okay, I literally picked up so much stuff. I didn't even go through the whole store, so I really just have to try on actually everything because I have no idea what size I am anymore. Okay, so here are all the pants I have to try on, here are all the shirts, and then here's like romper things. These are very hit or miss, but we'll see. Item number one, this is not business casual at all. They're just like some sweat shorts, but they're way too big, so that's a sign that I don't need to buy them. You can't really see these super well, but they're like maroon, like business pants, like pixie pants, disgusting. I'm probably gonna get them because they're like one of the only pants I actually have in my size, but like they're not high-waisted, which I don't like, and they just like they fit kind of weird, but that's like I have to buy them. So this is really cute. Okay, these are kind of fun. They're like navy, like flare leg pants. They're a little bit baggy here, but like most Old Navy pants are always like big here on me. I don't know, it's like weird, but they're like flare leg, kind of fun with like a black, I don't know, like turtleneck or something to make it more like business casual. I really don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm just kind of playing it by ear. Maybe, these are a maybe. I have them a size smaller in green. I think these definitely fit better. They're almost like a little bit too tight, but I think I'd rather have too tight than too loose. But they're just the same style. Okay, I can't tell if this is the ugliest thing I've ever seen or if it's like kind of fun. I think I kind of vibe with it, with like some fun like shoes, I don't know. This is kind of growing on me, like if I were to cinch this in tighter, kind of fun. This little like blouse is actually like cute, like I would wear this voluntarily, so I'm gonna get it if I like tuck it in, like a fun belt, cute. Okay, this top is super fun. I love like the like puff sleeve kind of vibe going on here. It's just like too big, it's like too tenty, but I'm also too lazy to go out and get like a smaller size, so I'm just gonna go without this, but it is super cute. Oh my god, wait, I kind of love it. Ah, shit. I just don't want to go get any size. This is hideous. The color is just not flattering, the fit is just not flattering. I feel like I'm a peasant, not about it. I'm back home, I'll do a haul later. Stop looking at me like that. I'm taking some Airborne because I'm deathly sick.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's me, Steph here. I just went shopping and this nice lady gave me a coupon and I thought I was gonna die in the Uber. But I could have easily woken my roommate up to ask her to go with me, but I didn't. And that's
you would have said no. Like I would have felt bad. No? You would have been like, fuck no. After you like died last night? I don't know, I would have felt bad. It was a fun little girls trip by myself.
What the fuck does that even mean? That's a solo trip.
Anyways, I need to wash my sheets. They stink because I just go to bed without showering after like frats and shit, and that's not cute. So we're gonna wash my sheets.
Whose fault is that?
My own.
Exactly.
That's what I'm saying, I'm doing my sheets. The laundry things were all full, so now I have to wait, but now I'm gonna put my new sheets on. Were you actually being dead ass when you said you weren't gonna transfer yesterday? Because I really just don't know. Fuck you, bitch! I knew it! It's gaslighting me. Okay.
No one from Philly likes it here.
Yeah, well, that sounds like dumb.
It's a cult.
As it should be. That means everyone enjoys themselves.
No.
Yeah.
That means that everyone just is culty and bitchy and stuck up. Boards. I'm gonna lose it. Someone push him off his bike.
Ooh, it's a little dicey here. This is gonna fall down. I'm actually gonna fucking beat a bitch up. Anyways, haul time. So you guys basically like saw everything I tried on in the fitting room, but I got this little yellow romper. I kind of feel like a zookeeper in it, but it's kind of cute, I guess. I got these gray pants. I saw them as I was checking out, but they're like the right size, I think. I didn't try them on, but actually there might be a size too big. Fuck, I don't know. But they were only $15. And I got this blouse. It's actually like not that ugly. Like it's kind of, I don't know. I could wear it with like the gray pants. Then I got the green pants that were $7. And I got them in brown. They're just like the flare leg ones. Cute. They're not cute. Why did I say they were cute? Anyways, that's all. Next task is to make a Shein order because for some business casual tops. Super cute. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, I just placed my Shein order. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Everything's fucking ugly, but gotta do what we gotta do. First, I got this like puff sleeve top. This isn't ugly, it's just like a little dicey, so I got that. And then I got just like a gray turtleneck to like go with like the colored pants because I feel like I need that. I don't know. And I got these leather pants, super cute, super fun. I'm a little nervous about these, that they might not fit, but we'll see. And I got a black turtleneck. This top, that's actually pretty fun, but like by the time that this comes in like 2 weeks, it's gonna be freezing, so I don't know when I'm gonna wear this. And then this top, that's really fucking ugly, but I don't know. The pattern was like business casually. Anyways, that's all. Currently listening to Call Her Daddy and planning out my week. So on my Notion I have like a weekly thing. Like I have like my like assignments and shit, but I need to like actually plan out my week because I actually have so much shit going on this week and I'm very stressed out about it.
The Eagles are winning.
No one gives a fuck, bitch.
Go Birds.
Fuck off.
Dilly.
Ew, I hate you so much. Anyways, I'm gonna plan out my week. Get you a roommate that's gonna be your personal photographer. That's right. It's all false stuff. Doing the most. Okay, anyways, we ordered chicken sandwiches because, oh my god, I almost fucking fell over. Because am I okay? Because the ones that we got yesterday were so fucking good, so we got them again. And I'm not even hungry because I just ate like 10 snacks, but gang gang. We're gonna go to the roof deck and take pictures because she's from Philly and it's like Eagles Day, game day. Hey, check, go.
Jeans from American Eagle. This is thrifted, and then Air Forces and Target.
And what about those rings? Where are they from?
Stephanie.
And glasses because she lost her other one, so she has to wear cheetah. Storm tour. Oh my god, it smells like some unknown meat, and I don't like it. This is on all guys floor, and last time we were here, we broke someone's whiteboard. I'll show you. This one, we broke it. Well, she broke it. This is how you get to the roof deck. You go up these stairs. We took some fun photos here last 2 weekends ago. There's Happy Valley herself. You go up these stairs. Look at Michaela's fat ass. Dude, someone said they locked it. Well, we'll see. Update, we just took pictures in the stairwell, took all of those, and you better like one because I'm not coming back. I just spent the last hour and a half-ish like editing my game day vlog. I've been loving like all my college content. I'm obsessed with it, and even if like other people aren't obsessed with it, like I'm fucking obsessed with it, and that's all that matters. But I'm listening to some One Direction right now, and I'm going to sit down and study and do my homework. I have to just like make Quizlets and stuff because like I've never had a final my whole life. Fun fact, my high school didn't have finals. Kind of a long story. My school just is very like academically stressful, so like we weren't really like allowed to have finals. I'm gonna sit down and make a Quizlet for my chem class and probably my psych class. I probably won't do both. I'll just probably pick one or like start one. I don't really know. But then I'm going to dinner, so I gotta like hurry up and like do this and then get ready. Alright, I just put all of these pages into my Quizlet. I stopped after this page, so I just have to do this page, then I'm kind of like all caught up, and I gotta go to dinner because I have to be there in like 15 minutes and I need to change and it takes 15 minutes to get there. So we're gonna save this Quizlet and come back to this later. And honestly, I'm just gonna wear what I'm wearing right now, just like the same shirt, and then just put my shorts back on and head over. I am home from dinner. I went to the dining hall in West, which I've never been to before because I don't live in West. And it was actually really good. Me and Abby, the girl from my high school, had such a good talk about just like life. And let me just say, some people here do some fucked up shit. Like, not getting into it because it's like her business, but like what the actual fuck. But I had some good mac and cheese and some carrots. Now I'm trying to work on my English essay. I'm gonna work on this for like 5 minutes, then go to bed probably. Little life update, just want to come on here and end the video. I showered about an hour ago. I've just kind of been like laying in bed. Michaela is still at her friend's house, like finishing up her homework and just like hanging out, whatever. But I'm probably gonna head to bed soon. It's like kind of early. It's like, I don't know, like 11 something, but tomorrow's Monday, so I probably want to like go to bed early and like get a good start to my week. I say that now, but I definitely am not gonna go to bed before 2. That is my Sunday routine, what I do on Sundays. My laundry is done, but I have not put it away, and it's still kind of like wet. Like the dryer like didn't dry it, so that's really cute. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time I post. Peace.